5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 4. Pass number 2. Pass number 6. And dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 2. Pass number 5. Pass number 2. And shoot that ball. Okay, nakuha sila Daddy. Okay, good news po dahil kung sinang mananalo sa larong ito, magkakaroon ng tip sa 500 wala kina Mami and Daddy. Nalungkot si Daddy. Okay, kaya kailangan niyo pong galingan. Ready? Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 3. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 6. Pass number 2. Pass number 4. And dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 1. Pass number 5. And dribble, 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 dribble. And shoot that ball. Boom! Boom! Talaga naman. Okay guys, so nagkapuntos na sila Mami. Meron ng 2 points and 1 point. Pero bad news, dahil kung sino ang matatalo sa laro ito, magkakaroon ng consequence. Nako, kaya kailangan yung galingan. Ready? Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 5. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 6. Pass number 1. Pass number 4. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 2. Pass number 3. And shoot that ball. Okay, bumahabol. Ang team, Mami. Okay, next balloon. Okay, all 2 points. Ready? Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 6. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 5. Pass number 2. Pass number 4. And shoot that ball. Wala pa, wala pa. Okay, lamang na sila Mami. Meron ng 2 points and 3 points. Okay, last balloon na po ito. Okay, ready? Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 2. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 1. Pass number 3. And dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 4. Pass number 6. Pass number 1. And dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 4. Pass number 1. And shoot that ball. Okay, naging puntos po nila Daddy. Okay, mukhang lumamang sila Daddy ng 1 point. Dahil dyan, panalo na sila Daddy. Okay, ano na po kayo? Same points na po kayo. Equal na po. Eh, nakakapunok sila Daddy. Okay, paano po yan? Paano po kayo, Mami? Lang, kasama. Sa akin. Okay, dahil